8 reasons my cat is not a YouTube star. She won't follow stage directions. Come through the tunnel, kitty. Come on, I've got the shot set right up. Come through the tunnel, kitty. Come. Okay, never mind. And you're walking off. This scene does not call for you, cat. This is me pretending to sleep. This is not real sleeping. This is pretending, and you're making it really hard. Really hard. Come on, cat. Come on. I want to show off that you can walk on a leash. Come on. I'm still pretending to sleep. This is still not real sleeping. We are not taking a nap. Why are you here? Okay, if you'll just settle down, maybe it'll be okay? She interferes with props. Cat, it's stop animation. Don't touch that. It'll mess up all my shots. It really will. Ack! No! Don't eat that! Don't eat that! That's wire! You've seen that before. And you walk off. Cat. It's an iron cat, and it was supposed to be the only thing in the shot. And you're getting hair all over my ironing board. But you're cute. You're very, very cute. She shows up in the backgrounds. Alrighty. Just gonna try and get the shot. No, we don't need a kitty for this. Alright, kitty. You can stay there if you don't cause any problems. You know, like mess up my green screen. And get hairs on the green screen. Do you want to leave? Go on, sit on something else. And that's not gonna happen, is it? Wiggle wiggle. This was supposed to be an empty shot of a suitcase. Don't ask me why, but it was. This isn't time for sits and fits. No, seriously, the green screen isn't supposed to move. And you needed a drink. Just go later. But she doesn't stay when I want her to. Stay in shot. And no. Okay, now we're actually going to sleep. Now I actually want you here and sleeping. And could you just like, get in shot? Oh, no to the green screen. She eats the scenery. That's poisonous, kitty. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Please. She attacks her co-stars. This is a mouse puppet. This is the cat and her killer instincts finally coming through on the thing she cannot eat. It's stuffed. It's really not running from you. She interferes with editing. Cats and laptops. And other types of laps. Just when I need to get up and do other stuff. So all in all, it's just that she's a typical cat.